I need to get away now.
Hi beauties, welcome to episode 1 of the Free the Forehead series, where we are leaving the lace behind for a while. It's spring now, it's going to be summer soon, and we're going to let that forehead breathe a little bit. If you're over lace glue, worrying about if your lace is lifting, having to re-glue your lace every other day, then this is the series for you. Today we're kicking it off with a beginner-friendly install using a V-part wig, no lace, no glue, and no stress. Let's get into it. The wig I'll be installing in today's video was sent to me by Unice Hair Company. This is their EasiContour V-part wig with a light Yaki texture. The length is 24 inches and the density is 150%. They recently upgraded the opening on their V-part wigs, so as you can see, instead of the weft showing at the opening like most U and V-part wigs, they did a flip over method, so it just gives it a more natural and seamless look around the opening. Not to mention there's a drawstring elastic band in the back to ensure it fits any head size nice and securely. So guys, I'm honestly starting this series because I'm tired. I am mother effing tired. I'm not even gonna lie. I miss natural leave out. I miss sew-ins. I miss quick weaves, blend-ins, braids. I don't know. I just miss the more natural looking hairstyles. And that's not to say that I'm giving up on lace wigs completely, because I'm not. But I am scaling back a bit. I noticed after wearing lace front wigs for years, I started to dislike my natural hairline without them and my forehead. Two things that I've always had, and they've never made me feel insecure before. But y'all know it's easy to camouflage that forehead with the lace wigs, and if I'm being real, I haven't even really been taking care of my natural hair underneath. Like, I've been neglecting it. So that's one of my goals for this year, is to just take better care of my hair. And I know if I'm feeling this way, then there's got to be other people out there feeling the same way. So I'm starting this series for us, not only to help me embrace and get more comfortable with my natural God-given hairline again, but also for the girlies who want to do the same and don't know where to start or what hairstyles to do. Or for the girlies who don't wear lace wigs as it is and you just want to try a new style and switch your hair up. This series is for us. So guys, I did start off with freshly washed, blow dried, and pressed out hair. And since this is going to be a braidless install, I just left a small section out in the middle for blending, and I put my hair back in a low ponytail. I'm also pulling out some hairs around the edges, so once we go to install this girl, it'll blend really nicely, seamlessly, and it'll look really natural. So here's a closer look at the inside construction of this wig. V-part wigs are perfect if you want a realistic install in 15 minutes or less, without committing to a sew-in, a glue-in, or having to sit down for hours to get your hair done. It clips in securely and you can take it off at night and let your scalp breathe. Because this one does come with a built-in drawstring elastic band, I'm just going ahead and taking off the removable elastic band on the inside, and then I'm going to go ahead and install her. I always start by aligning the V-part opening of the wig with my part, then clipping in starting from the back to the front. And it literally looks like I just got a fresh sew-in, and it only took a few seconds to clip in. Another thing is, I do prefer braidless installs with V-part wigs, y'all, because if after the wig is on, if I did not leave out enough hair, I can always just pull some out from the sides like you see me doing here. As you can see, this wig is a tad bit big for my head, so the drawstring in the back really does come in handy. Just pull, secure it, and then tuck it, and now the wig fits perfectly. So now that that's done, guys, the wig is on, it's secure. I'm gonna go ahead and press this hair straight.
Just let it go. Just keep not caught my throat. But it's one thing I'll figure it out. The last thing that I wanted you around. But the tears keep rolling down. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit closer so you guys can see the texture of the hair. I did decide to go with a light Yaki texture because I felt like it would match my natural hair a little bit better once it's pressed. Now guys, let's get into getting that leave out together. Y'all, my leave out is chewed up, okay? Okay? My leave out is definitely a little messy, but we're going to get it together and we're going to get it to blend. First thing first, I'm going ahead and parting my hair right in the center, starting from my nose. Y'all know the old school way. And I am combing that hair down just to make sure that I took out enough hair to cover the weft. If I must say so myself, this looks good already. Like, this looks good already, and I barely had to do anything. I'm going back in with those same flat irons and just pressing my natural hair to blend with the extensions, with the V-part wig. And y'all, please don't ask me how my hair broke off at the top of my head like that. I really cannot tell you. I recently started doing like the sleek back buns. That's something that I never usually do, and I'm not gonna lie, I think that is the reason why my hair is breaking off at the top, because I've never experienced this before. It looks really good already, y'all. But let's get it together. Let's make sure it lays a lot flatter. I'm going to go in with my wax stick and I'm just pressing that at the top of my hair just to lay down any flyaways, and also make sure the top of that hair where it's a little short at just lays nice and neat. I love how natural it looks once I put it behind my ear without slicking down the edges, baby hairs at all. But I am going to go in and do a little extra. Y'all know I'm extra. I'm going in with my Low J Beauty Edge Control as always, and I am just going to lay down my edges with that. Yeah guys, and please do not mind these few pimples on my face that are trying so hard to make an appearance in today's video. My skin is actually purging from a new skincare product. So yeah, guys, I'm human. It happens to all of us. This is pretty much what the install looks like once I'm done. I think it looks so good. It's definitely giving 10-minute sew in, 10-minute glue in. It's just giving me all the things. Like, I really love it. But I'm not done yet, guys. I do want to see just how well this hair curls and just how versatile it is. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few curls into this hair, and I'll come back at the end once I'm done.
So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture three crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me. For niggas violated, they chased and they raped me. Even though it wasn't me, I could feel the grief thinking with your brains blown. That would make the pain go no. You gotta find a way to survive, cause they win when your soul dies. Baby, please don't cry. You gotta keep your head up, even when the road is hard. Never give up. no child of mine. I wonder if you have to suffer for your father's crimes. To be honest, it's a hard road. Just keep your faith in God, knowing you're scarred though. Look at him walking and talking, a little child with my eyes and mouth. Father, watch over little seeds, help me guide them out. Had to change my whole lifestyle. Married my baby's mama, made her my wife now. I'm trying hard, y'all. Maybe in time I'll be a better man. Watching the older couples handle it like veterans. Show me the meaning of forever, and together we rise. If it would help our child grow, then together we die. Why? Question my love, it's so easy to see. Without my family, all I'm left with is a shadow of me. After all the arguments and the nights alone, now it's time to live a good life, good life.
And here is the finished look with the curls. Super natural, super beginner friendly, and still very much protective. If you're loving this lace-free series already, as much as I'm enjoying creating it for you guys, make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe, because we've got 9 more natural slays coming your way every Wednesday for the next few weeks. Also, let me know what kind of installs you want to see me do next, and I will catch you guys in episode 2. Love you guys so much. Smooches.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.